Hi everyone, this is Mrs. D. In these trying times at home, all I am doing is baking. So I'm going to show you how to make my chocolate chip banana bread. So you put 2 cups of flour in a bowl, and then a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Now, in another bowl, you got your mashed bananas. You're going to add 1/3 of a cup of sugar and 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar. I don't have brown sugar, so I'm just going to use white sugar. 8 tablespoons of butter, 2 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla yogurt. Now I'm going to mix all that together. And then I'm going to add it to the flour mixture. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. Make sure everything that you put into the flour is mixed really well. So I'm going to pour this in. I'm going to start mixing. And then I'm going to turn on the mixer just for a couple of minutes. And make sure you try to push down the sides of your mixture so it gets all incorporated. Lift it up. Make sure everything is off your flat spatula. Undo it. Take it to a loaf pan that's buttered. Make sure it's all buttered. And take it and put it inside there's one thing I forgot, ladies and gentlemen. I forgot the chocolate chips. So we have to put it back in. I'm sorry. Oh, that's an easy fix. Just mix them around. Okay. Now we put it back in the pan. I knew I was missing something. Now make sure it's nice and flat. It goes all over into every corner. And then what you can do is take a few more chips and sprinkle some on top. Now, you set your oven to 325 and you cook it for a good 60 to 70 minutes. And then you're all set. And here is our delicious chocolate chip banana bread. I hope you enjoyed it, And I can't wait to cut into it because it's going to taste delicious. Thank you. Bye.